Hi, Amanda here with Bandanna Promotions, and today I'm very excited to unveil some of the new products within one of our newly released swag kits. These kits come boxed with 3 to 6 marketing products for your business, ranging anywhere from wearables to decor, depending on the theme. Today we're going to be taking a look at the wearables and accessories kit. So let's dive in. The first 2 items within our swag kit are 2 that our company is already well known for, and that would be the Bandanna and of course the bandana. Now the bandana you can get screen printed with your logo or design in the ink color of your choice. For the bandana, you can get it either screen printed or, if you would prefer, a full color digital print. The rest of the products within our swag kit are all new releases for this year, and that's what you guys have been waiting for. This includes the gator sleeve and the have a mask. Now, the gator sleeves are digitally printed on our 4-way stretch micro knit fabric, so they fit comfortably around your neck and your face to protect yourself from the elements. Our have a masks are available in white or black antimicrobial fabric with your logo or design screen printed on the front. Facial coverings are important in today's world. Both of these products help protect you while also advertising your business. Bandannas are another new product available in our wearables and accessories swag kits. These totes are double-sided with your logo screen printed on both the front and the back. You can select which base color you would like your tote bag in, as well as the size. All of the products within our swag kits are highly customizable, ensuring that your logo is displayed to your preference. Last but not least, we have our biggest bandana yet, our 35-inch Bandanna. These multifunctional bandanas can be worn in a variety of innovative and unique ways and are perfect for concerts, spas, and resorts. In fact, these bandanas can be worn in so many different ways that we'll be going over them in a video next week. I'll be breaking down the Bandanna's many uses, including how to wear it as a top or beachwear. So be sure to like and follow us on all of our social media platforms so you can be alerted when new videos and products are released. Only at Bandanna Promotions.